My name is Anyait Dinnah. I come from Angaromo village, Pasha Ward, Agule Town Council, Pallisa District. Since I came here, I've learned how to keep these chicks, how to prepare a breeder, how to wash these feeders, the drinkers, how to mix the glucose. First of all, you are going to get the litter, you get your plywoods, you get your nails, you get your covers, the things you're going to cover the litter, like newspapers or the bags, the clean ones. After that, you measure. You're going to make a square of 3 meters. Then you get a disinfector, you spray it down there, even those plywoods. After spraying the disinfector, then you pour your litter. After pouring the litter, then again you disinfect the litter. After disinfecting the litter, then you put your now the newspapers to cover that litter, or the sacks to cover them. Before bringing the chicks, you first set your fire. You make sure the glucose is there with the drinkers. Then now you bring the chicks, then you start counting while putting it down. After like 1 hour, then you get the broilers, the broiler starter. You give them after like 1 hour. Now we give them glucose so that they will get the energy, because glucose adds energy in them. Now when you give them the broiler starters, because they are still young, they cannot eat the other type of feeds first. This one is there first because they are 1 day old. I've learned how to start a business. First you register, then you do all that process. Again, I've learned how to save and how to save. You should have the members, register your saving association, you get a name. When I go back home, because even before I came here, they told us to get 100 people behind. So I'm going to communicate with them. Maybe I will be meeting them maybe twice in a week. I'll say maybe on Saturday I will meet this number of people from this area or the place. Then again, maybe another day I create the timetable. Maybe on Monday I'll be meeting other people again in different categories. I will teach them how to keep these chicks, how to construct the breeder, how to clean the drinkers, the feeders, and how to take care of these chicks.